Hello friends, my name is Hari Krishna. I am your science teacher. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 1 of chemistry of ncert textbooks 10th class, chemical reactions and equations chapter. In this particularly I am going to discuss about a subtopic called exothermic and endothermic reactions. So these are the thermochemical equations because these are the chemical reactions based on heat. So any chemical reaction which is based on heat, we divide the chemical reactions into two types, exothermic and endothermic. So in previous video we explained about some of the questions. So these are continuation to that. Let's see that brief introduction about exothermic and endothermic reactions. Endothermic and exothermic. Endothermic reactions are the reactions in which heat is absorbed. If heat is absorbed, that is called endothermic. Heat absorbed. If heat is liberated, that is called exothermic. Heat comes out of the system. If a reaction gives out heat, that is called exothermic. Exit, coming out. If a chemical reaction takes heat, that is called endo, coming inside. In that sense, it is endothermic. Let's see this. Dilution of sulfuric acid. If you take not only sulfuric acid, if you take any acid and add it to water, so in this process, this acid, let us take example of H2SO4, it breaks as H plus ions and SO4 minus. In process of this breaking of one component ions, it releases a lot of heat. So it is exothermic reaction. It is exothermic reactions. Next, sublimation of dry ice. Dry ice formula is CO2 only, which is in solid state. This CO2 combines into gaseous state, converts from solid to gas. That's sublimation. So it's converted from solid to gas by absorbing heat. So it is endothermic. Endothermic it is. Next, condensation of water vapors. We have water vapors, H2O only. It's in vapor form. Okay. So gaseous form, if we condense that, it converts to liquid. So the same H2O in liquid state. So gaseous meaning is it has more heat, that is in gaseous state. When it's a liquid state, amount of heat present if that is less, releases. So the gaseous water releases heat out and converts to liquid. That is why it is exothermic, not endothermic. Next, evaporation of water. It's reverse of this condensation. We have water in liquid state. We are heating this. It converts to water of H2 only, but in gaseous state. That's evaporation of water. So that means we're heating this. It is endothermic. So he want which are endothermic. So both the 2 and 4 are endothermic. 2 and 4 are endothermic. Okay, I hope this answer is clear to you. Which among the following changes are exothermic and endothermic? Decomposition of ferrous sulfate formula FeSO4. Decomposition, remember that all decomposition reactions are endothermic because we need to supply heat in order to decompose into pieces. This FeSO4, how it breaks? Let us check two molecules, FeSO4 and FeSO4. So from one SO4, remove one oxygen. From other SO4, remove two oxygens. So now two irons are there, Fe2, three oxygens. So Fe2O3 plus one SO2, one SO3. SO2 plus SO3. This is how the chemical products are formed when you decompose ferrous sulfate. So in this reaction, I am going to supply heat. FeSO4 on decomposition, it forms ferric oxide plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide. These are gases which goes out. So it is endothermic. Dilution of sulfuric acid, as we said previously. So when you're diluting any acid, not only sulfuric acid, any type of acid, when you're diluting that by adding water, releases a lot of energy. That is exothermic. Dilution of NaOH with water. NaOH also a base. Even a base, in addition to the water, it breaks into ions, Na plus and OH minus ions. In this process, it releases a lot of energy, so it is exothermic reactions. Okay. Dissolution of ammonium chloride in water. Ammonium chloride formula NH4Cl. When it dissolving in water, when it is dissolving, it has to break into NH4 plus and Cl minus. It absorbs heat from the surroundings and breaks into ions and is mixed with water. So it is endothermic reactions. Okay, I hope this answer is clear to you. Let's go to next question. Solid calcium oxide vigorously reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide, which are accompanied by liberation of heat, that is plus delta. This process is called slaking of lime. The calcium hydroxide dissolves in water to form solution called lime water. It is called lime water. Which among the following is true for slaking of lime? The process name is slaking of lime. The substance formed is lime water. So it releases heat. So first of all, it is exothermic. It is not endothermic at all. Very simple. Okay. And I got a substance which possesses OH. So this OH minus is said to be hydroxide ions. See, if a substance on addition to the water releases OH minus ions, that is said to be a base, whose pH will be greater than 7. pH will be power of hydrogen H plus ions will be greater than 7. The pH of the resulting solution will be more than 7. So it is more than 7. So answer is this. It can't be less than 7 at all. So 2 and 3 is the answer. This is the answer. I hope this answer also clear. Thank you.